Happy first Sunday of the month and a very warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how I made this simple yet delicious lemon cookies. And if you love cookies that melts in mouth and has no eggs, then this recipe is for you. Today's video is in collaboration with my dear sister, Baaba's Kitchen. And she has lots of amazing recipes, so do check her out and stay tuned for more. Thank you. I will start by measuring the batter for this recipe, and I'll microwave it for 2 seconds maximum and allow it to cool down. When I'm done, I'll grate 2 lemons and advise that you use unwaxed lemons. Afterwards, I'll add half a cup of caster sugar because it has finer crystals and melts easily. Well, you can as well use granulated sugar. When I'm done, I'll add my lemon zest. And with a clean hands, I'll just mix everything together just to release the flavor of the lemon in the sugar. So the batter has already cooled down. I'll add some drops of yellow food color, and that's optional. And I'll add the sugar and some drops of vanilla extract, and I'll whisk until it's pale or creamy. So if you've watched this far and you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to subscribe and share to others. After whisking for roughly 3 minutes, I'll add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and I'll whisk for another minute. But just look at how creamy or beautiful this turned out. So for this recipe, I'm advising that you use cake or wheat flour. So I'll add the flour in bits. And as I said earlier, this video is in collaboration with my dear sister Baaba's Kitchen. So do check out her version of the lemon cookies, and I'm sure it will blow your mind. Adding the flour in bits, I'll just sift and mix everything together. And I'm using my spatula because I don't want to overmix it. And trust me, this recipe is a no-fail recipe, and I actually shared this with my daughter's friends at school, and they loved it. So this is the outcome after mixing. So I'll be dividing it in two, but you can actually divide it in three. That's according to how you want to shape it. I'll just add the first one in a cling film, and then I'm just shaping it how I want it. Yeah, so the shape is to your preference. And this is the outcome after shaping it. So with the second one, I'll just add it and I'm just rolling it because I want it flat. Yeah. So I kept this in the fridge for 1 hour. Please note in the fridge, not freezer. And after 1 hour, this is how it looks. I'll just use my knife and then start cutting it. But she, nife, nife. Oh. I just want you to try this recipe and then confirm it yourself. I'm just arranging them on the baking tray, and then with the next batch, I wanted a love shape. Yeah. So I'm shaping it how I want it, and I'm not wasting anything. So I'll just roll the pieces and then shape them again using the love shape, and I'll arrange them in the baking pan or tray. So my oven is already preheated, so I only bake this for 15 minutes. But it depends on your oven, and after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. You can as well use the air fryer and it will come out perfect. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. Wankasa hwenakono. If you try this recipe, please don't forget to leave a feedback on Instagram or TikTok. Would be pleased to know. And please head over to Baaba's channel for her version of the lemon cookies. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.